Hi, have I got a treat for you today? We're going to be making a Welsh Rarebit, my interpretation. So we're going to bake it into a delicious tart. So hopefully when we get the long summer days, it'll be perfect for your picnics. So I'm Kath from Her Majesty Cooks. Let's do it. So for the ingredients, I have here an 8-inch pastry case that I've made earlier, and that's nice and cold now. So I've just blind baked that, so it's all ready. I'm going to put the ingredients for that in the description if you want to have a go. So I have 3 beaten eggs here, 150 ml of milk and 150 ml of double cream that's mixed together, Tabasco and Worcester sauce, which if you're vegetarian you can use the Henderson's relish, 120 grams of grated cheddar, some mustard powder, and I have some beer here which I'm going to put in, which is local to me from North Wales. So first of all, we're just going to take 2 teaspoons of the mustard powder, and we are going to add 2 tablespoons of the Worcester sauce. Just give it a bit of a mix there as you're putting it in, so that it doesn't get too lumpy. Form it into a smooth paste like that, and then just add the other tablespoon. There we go. Just a few drops of Tabasco. Just want to add to the flavour, not give it a chilli kick as such, so just give that a stir again. And then we're going to add our beer. So this is Dark Side of the Moose. Dark Side of the Moose, which is from the Purple Moose Brewery at Porthmadog, not too far from here. It's a nice dark malty ale. So if you can't get this, then just use something similar. And we just need 4 tablespoons there, so we're just going to mix it into our Worcester sauce mixture there. And just give it a bit of a stir. So then in a bowl, put your cheese, and the milk and cream mixture and the eggs. Just give it a gentle mix together. There we go, and then we're going to add the beer mixture here. It smells rather rich and yummy. So once that's all nicely mixed together, we're just going to pour it into our case here. So just carefully pour it in. So I'm going to put that in the oven now for about 25 to 30 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. If it looks like it's going to catch, sort of burn or something halfway through, just cover it over lightly with a bit of foil. Okay, so this is ready now. So just take this out. Turn that off a minute. So you just get it out. It's still got a wobble in the middle, and it has risen a little bit, but it will settle back down once it's cooling. So the tart has been cooling now for just over half an hour, so you can see that it has settled down now. And so we're just going to get it out the tin. So just turn a little dish or mug or something upside down, and that should release like that. And that has just slides off the base like that. So put that to one side. So we're just going to cut into this now. It's a nice buttery pastry, this as well. There we go. Thanks so much for watching. It's time for you to get your aprons on now and give it a go. So let me know in the comments below how you get on. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.